motivated me to return to school and earn my degree was my mom's voice in the back of my head always telling me, get your education, get your education, get your education. Whatever you do, get your education. And so she always emphasized that to her children, and that was something I really wanted to accomplish.
Sergeant First Class Elisa Solis, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
I chose Grantham University because a lot of my soldiers and people I had worked with, they first introduced me to Grantham years back, and they said, you know, you really need to try this online thing. It's really worked for me. It's an easy way to get your, but not easy, but it will work with your schedule, in other words, and you can take whatever classes you can at a time and pace yourself. So I said, let me try it, let me look at it online, and I went online, checked out the programs, and they pretty much worked for me, the scheduling and the way it was set up. So I said, you know what, I'm going to try it. What can I lose by trying? So I signed up, called an admissions representative, and he pretty much guided me through it and told me what I needed to do, and it just seemed so simple. And then I realized, you know what, I can really make this work for me, because it works with my schedule. I can find the time, and here I am, stuck through it, kept going, and finally completed this phase.